What's on your mind?
What's on your mind?
What's on your mind, boss?
So what's on your mind, Kimasabi? Why am I listening to you?
What's on your mind, Richard?
Well, I think it's time to set the record straight, Mr. Rhyme.
What's on your mind? What are you thinking?
Nothing.
What's on your mind, son?
I want Ray off the team, Coach.
What's on your mind?
My options, sir.
So what's on your mind?
I want you to come back and babysit us. The new sitter stinks.
You ready to tell me what's on your mind?
Not really.
Why don't you tell me what's on your mind? Then it can be on our minds, and then our minds can worry about what's on your mind together.
So, Mr. Enigma, what's on your mind?
Precisely. What's on all our minds? Brain waves.
Honey, if you don't tell me what's on your mind, I'm afraid I'll have to smother you with a pillow.
Sheldon, what's on your mind?
I wronged Howard, and he won't accept my apology.
Oh, right, that. Yes, Leonard told me. Sorry, honey.
What's on your mind?
Well, it's about Mike.
Mike?
Yeah.
What's on your mind, hillbilly?
What was I thinking about? Oh, yeah, yeehaw, that's right.
What are you thinking about?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but what's on your mind?
I like this movie.
Why don't you tell me what's on your mind, counselor?
There is so much in this world that I do not understand.